What's good, guys? Jupiter came crashing down in price, and I guess it wasn't one of the best launches that we've seen here in the crypto space, but it's not the end of the world. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you clicked on this video, and if you are new here, do smash the subscribe button, because 98% people just tend to click the video and not subscribe. So if you can be maybe someone that just doesn't be that, like, 98% of people, that'd be great. $752 million market cap for Jupiter. Jupiter is still recognized as one of the best dexes out here, and when we look at the 24-hour volume, $425.6 million is nothing to lie about, of a staggering 14% of market share here. So because of course the popularity of Solana-based meme coins, which by the way we're going to be talking about a new 100x potential one very soon on this channel in the next 24 hours, so hit the subscribe, like, hit that notification bell if making potentially 10 to 100x on your money is something that interests you, because I will be letting the Patreons know about this today, and a few of them have already been hinted when it's going to go live later on. But in this video, we are looking at, of course, Jupiter, and I think it's just good to kind of recognize what's happening with this coin, because it has corrected, but it's not the end of the world. It was very euphoric, very hypey. You can see we are just sort of trembling down here in a slight downtrend, but actually you can see our macro resistance here. Of course, we don't have much data on screen because it is just very newly traded, but we can see that we are just breaking out of this level from the 0.53, making a bit of headway up. So at the moment, I'm not really worried. I know it's a long-term play. I know the market cap is still very impressive at $751 million. And when we look at the exchanges, I mean, it's on Binance. It could get listed on Coinbase one day for all we know. And if that happens, of course, more volume and liquidity will be driven towards the project. Now, with Jupiter, this particular token, it's very, very infant. It's very young. It's like PancakeSwap back in its very, very early days, in my opinion. And we're still pretty much in a bear market. So we haven't seen coins like this go absolutely parabolic yet. And there is absolutely a chance for them to do so in the future. Moving into the 30-minute time frame, you can see it is just bullish momentum, looking pretty nice. And again, if you did buy in at the bottom at 0.51, you'd be up 8%. Nothing to, get out of bed for, nothing to really write to the bank about. But overall, 8% is looking pretty solid on the day. You can see there is some overhead resistance here at around the 0.565 level. Is going to be a bit of a task to get through. We could get rejected at that particular region, but overall we just don't want to see this crash any lower than sort of $0.5. If it can consolidate here, hold for a while, and I mean like a good while, I think we could be in a good place for this. Even if it does come up and get rejected and then just trade sideways for a while, I think that's absolutely fine, and I think we will see Jupiter exceed $1 in price in the upcoming months by the end of the year, maybe $2, $3, $4, even $5 for this coin. We can see Jupiter recently in the news tops Uniswap V3 index trading volume, and this is a massive launch here, guys. So the achievement marks a significant milestone for Jupiter Exchange and highlights the shifting dynamics within the DeFi landscape. So of course, this exchange is a massive play in the DeFi world. It says here, low fees are provided by the Solana blockchain. These features have made it an attractive option for traders seeking efficiency and affordability in their trading activities. You won't have the massive $30, $40, $50 gas fees that sometimes appear with the Uniswap ERC20 mainnet. But yeah, lots of attractive things for the Jupiter exchange, I think overall. You can see as well, there's a tweet here from Mark Colster saying very bullish on Meow and Jupiter exchange. I've been using Jupiter since I came to Solana, and it's always one of the first platforms I tell someone new to Solana about or talk about. Couldn't be more excited to see where they take Jupe in the future. So loads of people recognize that Jupe is a big thing, and already there's been some amazing feats. Loads of on-chain growth and organic volume on the DEX side of things, and they're still pushing hard. They're collaborating with big projects and partners like Allium Labs, and they're not stopping, guys. So as long as they keep on pushing and they're not stopping, they recognize that the future is where the long-term value is. This is all good news. This is all good news. So look, you can see, look, This is a feature we implemented to improve take profit stop losses during sharp wicks and network unreliability. Again, they're still adding to the network that they're developing, they're building, they're making things more efficient, more user-friendly, and just overall a better user experience for people on the DEX, which is great news. So yeah, guys, Jupiter looking pretty good. I think long term we're looking at $3, $4, $5 in 2024, but short term price analysis here is a little bit rocky. I just think fundamentally, yes. Does it have the trifecta to make a good blockchain, a good ecosystem, not necessarily a blockchain, but a good coin? I think yes, it's scalable, it's secure. We're not seeing congestion. We've got tiny network fees, and it proves to work. It proves that it can handle this huge level of volume without, you know, collapsing or becoming slow, annoying. And yeah, I think this is what's important. It's obviously up there. It's recognized now as a staple DEX, so this will help us. If you're new here, do subscribe, like, comment. Get yourself down below into the crypto Discord of 21,000 members now. And if you want to know more about the massive Solana meme coin, which will launch later on, by the way, it's going to have an airdrop, it's going to have liquidity. They're really aiming for like Binance stuff. Remember, not financial advice, but seriously big. Talking next dog with hat, next bonk, next Myro, next big stuff. Consider becoming a patron, become a crypto legend. If you want to find out about it later, only 6 slots are left. And if you also want over 500 trading signals per month, the crypto legend will give you exactly that. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I really hope we all make some big gains in the upcoming weeks and months in the crypto space. Appreciate you all being here, and hopefully we can have a chat, whether it's on Patreon or in the Discord channel. It would be great to, you know, get to know some more of you. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hit that notification bell, do one favor and subscribe, and I'll see you all very, very soon.